Here's a laptop. It's a Lenovo Legion 5 from 2021. The question is, where are the microphones of this laptop? They are not on the top, but they are on the bottom side of the monitor. We have two tiny dots there on the left and right side of the Legion logo. There, that tiny opening, that's a microphone, and the other one there on the left side. So those two are the microphones. If we go here to the speaker, right click on the speaker and go to sounds. Add sounds, let's go to recording, and here in the center we have a microphone and it's the default one. And if I place my finger here, notice the green lines are moving there. That's the right microphone and left microphone. Stereo microphones on the bottom of the display.